Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Video Part 3. Question number 29. An angle is formed when two rays meet at dash endpoint, at one endpoint only. Option A. 29th answer is option A. Question number 30. Find the diameter of the circle having radius 4 centimeter. We know that diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. It is the double of the radius. So 2 multiplied by 4, that is your 8 centimeter. It is in the option number C. 30 answer will be C. Question number 31. What is the measurement of angle between hour hand and minute hand when clock shows 12 o'clock? So there is a circle. Circle means it is the face of a clock. It is 12, it is 6, it is 3 and 9. At 12 o'clock, the hour hand will be on 12 and the minute hand will be also on the 12. So actually both the line is overlapping each other. It means it is 0 degree. Option C. 31 answer is option C. Question number 32. If two angles of a triangle is 60 degree and 30 degree, then the third angle is, so third angle of a triangle, it is equal to 180 degree minus sum of the other two angles. So 60 plus 30, 90, 180 minus 90, it is 90 degree and 90 degree is known as the right angle. Option C. 32nd answer will be option C. Question number 33. What is the name of the quadrilateral? So name of the quadrilateral, how can we check? Actually the value of the angles are given and options are trapezium, square, rectangle and rhombus. For being the square, angle should be 90 degree. For being the rectangle, angle should be 90 degree. So this too is not possible. We are remained with the trapezium and rhombus. For being the rhombus, opposite angle should be equal, but it is also not there. So rhombus is also rejected. Now just come to the trapezium's condition. Trapezium's condition is saying the adjacent angle. You can say that this two angle should be 180 degree. So 130 plus 50, 180 degree. 140 plus 30. The pair of one adjacent angle should be 180 degree. So it is coming 180 degree. And other two sides will not be 180 degree. So here 130 plus 40, 170 degree, and here it is 190 degree. Means this pair is not making a linear pair or a straight line or 180 degree, but this two pair is making 180 degree. That's why it will be trapezium. 33rd answer is option A. Question number 34. The faces of cuboid are. तो cuboid का face कैसा होता है? It is rectangular shape. 34th answer is option A. Question number 35. Find the value of x in the following figure. This is your 90 degree, this is your 40 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 40 degree. 90 plus 40 will be 130. 180 minus 130, this is your 50 degree. It is in the option C. So 35th answer is option C. Question number 36. An equilateral triangle has all the sides equal, all the angles equal. Two sides equal? No. Option D. 36th answer is option D. 37. The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. 37th answer is, or we can say two right angle. तो two right angle तो आपका 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा. Not possible. Option B. Two straight angles. तो two straight angle means 180 plus 180. That is your 360 degree. Option B will be also correct. So 37th answer will be option D. Question number 38. In the following figure, triangle AOB. AOB will be, since OA and OB are the radius of the circle and this two will be equal, we can say it is an isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. Option B. 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. Which of the following angle is greater than 90 degree? For being the greater than 90 degree, the second arm of the angle will be away from the straight line. It is looking like C. 39th answer will be C. Question number 40. The base of a cube is, the base of a cube is square. So 40 answer will be option A. Okay. Hope you found this worksheet very easy. You can just watch all the complete worksheet in one day only. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.